Welcome to Fun IQ Plus. Get ready for a divine guessing battle. Let's see how fast you can spot each Hindu god. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Who is this god? Ganesha. Next picture coming up. Indradev. Who is this god? Brahmadev. Who is this god? Bhagwan Vishnu. Ready for another one. Who is this god? Varaha Avatar. Let's see if you know this god. Ma Saraswati. Who is this god? Gayatri Mata. Who is this god? Here comes the next divine clue. Kartikeya. Who is this god? Think fast. Suryadev. Who is this god? Ma Kali. Who is this god? Vaishno Devi. Who is this god? Hanuman. Who is this god? Ayyappa. Who is this god? Jagannath. Who is this god? Narsingh. Who is this god? Ma Durga. Who is this god? Shanidev. Who is this god? Ram. Who is this god? Mansa Devi. Who is this god? Bhairav. Who is this god? Krishna. Who is this god? Santoshi Mata. Who is this god? Annapurnama. Who is this god? Matsya Avatar. Who is this god? Kubera Dev. Who is this god? Radha Maa. Who is this god? Mata Sita. Who is this god? Vishwakarma. Who is this god? Varun Dev. Who is this god? Yamraj. Who is this god? Kurma Avatar. Who is this god? Nandi. Who is this god? Pippalad. Who is this god? Lakshmi Mata. Who is this god? Parshuram. Who is this god? Sharab Avatar. Who is this god? Baglamukhi Mata. Who is this god? Agnidev. Who is this god? Venkateshwar. Who is this god? Ma Tripura Sundari. Did you get the last one right? Garud Dev. And that's the end of the god guessing game. How many did you get right? Drop your score, smash the like button, and we'll see you in the next challenge.